In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks. We'll walk through entering this as an expense so your records reflect who you paid, how you paid, and exactly what the purchase included. This is a straightforward way to document a purchase that was paid from a bank or credit card account. Start by going to the top search bar in QuickBooks. Type expense, then open the option to create a new expense. This brings up a form with all the key fields you'll need. Begin with the payee. This is the person or business you paid, typically the dealership or seller. Adding the correct payee helps you keep your vendor list clean and makes reporting more useful later. Next, choose your payment account. Pick the bank or credit card the funds came from. This ensures the transaction shows up in the right register and will match up with your bank feed more easily. Now, set your dates and payment details. Enter the date of the purchase so it lines up with your receipt and your bank statement. Choose the payment method, such as check, debit card, or credit card, and include a reference number if you have one. That might be a check number, an invoice number from the dealership, or a receipt number, whatever helps you trace the transaction back to your paperwork. Scroll to the category details section. If you already have the correct category, select it here. For many businesses, a vehicle purchase is tracked as a fixed asset category, often labeled something like vehicles or automobile. If you don't see a suitable category, create a new one. Use a clear name, and, if you're unsure how to classify it, consider checking with your accountant to keep your books accurate. Fill out the row details. Add a helpful description, such as the make and model, the purchase purpose, or identifying details you'll recognize later. Enter the amount you paid. If you use the billable feature and this cost should be passed on to a customer, mark it as billable and select the customer. If not, leave it unmarked. Set the tax field based on your local setup and how you track tax on purchases. Below, use the memo field to capture any quick notes. Think purchase terms, mileage at purchase, or internal notes. Then attach your supporting documents. It's a good idea to upload the purchase agreement, the dealership invoice, and any related receipts so everything lives with the transaction. Give everything a quick review, and when you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your vehicle purchase is now recorded in QuickBooks.